how to add money to your Apple Pay Cash. So with Apple, you can use Apple Cash, and it's another way to use Apple Pay. So what we can do is go to your wallet, and I have my Apple Cash here ready to go. As you see, I have a zero balance on it, and I want to add money to it so that I can use it or send it to people. So to do that, what you want to do is go to the three dots at the top right-hand corner here, and you just want to add money. So obviously, it's important to know that you should have a bank connected to your iCloud or to your payment system. That way it has somewhere to take the money from. So I'm just going to set up for $10. The minimum is $10. So once you have that in there, go ahead and hit the check mark, and that will take a little bit. Go ahead and double click, and you should have $10 in your Apple Cash once this is ready to go. And as you see, it's there. And from this point forward, I can use this for Apple Pay. I can use this to send it to someone, and that's it. It's super simple and super easy to do.